In the next few months, there will be a new Claude 5 model.
I really do believe that we could have models that are a country of geniuses in the data center in 1 to 2 years.
We don't exactly know what it's going to be able to do, but here's what we can expect based on all the rumors and my personal speculations. As you probably know, recently,
when Anthropic produced its new AI model called Mythos 5, it's maybe too dangerous for public consumption. So they slimmed it down and released that version under the name Fable 5. Neither version is available after Trump's government put an export ban on them, citing national security concerns.
Claude Fable 5 was banned from the general public by the US government, and they say it's because it was jailbroken and it's not safe enough, it's too powerful. But is that really what happened? Essentially, I and everyone around got to use Fable 5 for a few days and literally just felt illegal. Like, it was so good. I'm very confident that they knew that it's not safe, but they still released it anyway just to create the hype and the anticipations. Because the headlines of an AI tool being too powerful, to me, it actually seems like really good marketing. Actually, good odds that by the time you're watching this, Fable 5 is already back. You know who coded Claude? It was Claude. Like, he did it himself. Claude built itself, and it improved itself over and over again. Obviously, right now, there's still employees who were also coding Claude and doing all this stuff, but it was less employees than the last Claude model. We're moving into a world where AI builds AI, which makes the AI better, and it just spirals out of control. I don't know why no one's talking about it, and what the fuck is going on here? And let me give you a quick reminder before we keep going here of what Claude right now already, before all the updates future, what it can do right now. You can connect Claude with majority of all of your softwares. With Google Drive, Facebook ads, Higgsfield, essentially just run your entire business from Claude. Claude can do media buying fully by itself, and we're doing this as we speak right now, like it already works. We just give Claude rules to make the decisions for the media buying, what it should do on Facebook. That's done, and it does it for you, and it does it well. On top of that, I can send my Claude a Google Drive link and just tell it, yo, upload the video from this Google Drive link to Facebook and post it with my regular copy, linking to my page and everything. And it just does it perfectly. On top of that, you can connect Claude with Higgsfield. Recently in a video of mine, I showed you how I generated a video live in front of your eyes on Higgsfield, and it got like 2 million views within 2 days. And it was fully done by Claude. Like, it was one prompt to Claude, that's it. It was literally a video which was fully generated and posted on Instagram, by the way. On top of that, you can also connect your Claude with your Instagram DMs and Instagram comments, and it can auto reply to everyone. You can currently build a full dropshipping store just using Claude. Like, on Claude, you can build everything. You can connect it to Shopify. You can do whatever you want. You can use Claude to review Claude's work. Once the store, for example, is done, you can also tell Claude to review it and just build a massive feedback loop for itself, where the store is just being rebuilt over and over and over again, and only the attempt number 10 is being shown to you. And after that, you just give it feedback, and it can understand the feedback and use it for the next time. The one shift which we saw with Fable 5, it was not there yet, but this is the direction it's gonna go. The less direction you give it, the better the results. So if you tell it, build me a store based on this specific store, and this is here my copy, and this is this, you give it a bunch of directions and exactly what you want, it will build you store A, and then you just tell it, yo, build me a store which is high converting. And then it builds you a better store, which all of a sudden makes this whole skill set of prompting. Like, I've been hearing so many people about, like, AI can't replace me because I have to prompt it, bro. I have to, like, write the best prompts. It just fully replaces that. You think you know what you want. Like, you can make this perfect prompt where you describe what a perfect store to you is. But do you really know what a perfect store is? Does Claude know it maybe better than you? If you're an expert dropshipper and you know exactly what you're doing, you're your store will still look better than the one Claude just designs with one prompt. However, that gap is closing. If we're gonna get to Claude 7, 8, 9, no way you're gonna do a better job than him. Currently, the only thing which is stopping AI from being able to just do everything is a context window. You can't tell Claude, scrape through all the Shopify stores in the world, figure out which one is spending the most money, which one is doing the best, which one has the highest conversion rates, and just understand that, figure out what the patterns are, and build me the best store in the world. It's not going to be able to do that because the context window is not big enough. The AI models right now can't memorize as much stuff as is needed to make an insane store. So I think what the next massive breakthrough is going to be is skill packs. Right now, already, by the way, you can upload like a file onto your Claude and it can start doing more stuff all of a sudden. Now, imagine what is going to happen if someone like Mr. Beast would release a skill pack of how to start a faceless channel. He describes everything perfectly on how to make the best possible video. Take that skill pack, upload it to Claude, and now you have Mr. Beast Claude on your laptop.
I could start a new channel tomorrow with not using my face or my voice, like without ever promoting it, and in 6 months have 20 million subscribers.
Claude's main objective is obviously the revenue they're making. And what they would do is they would just hire the top marketers, pay them millions of dollars to build some skill packs on how to do marketing. And then they would just give it away to everyone using Claude. Then the main issue which is going to occur is saturation. If everyone can do videos like Mr. Beast's videos are worthless. There's just so many viewers on YouTube watching something, and if every video is perfect, all of them are shit. Let me give you a few specific things that are left until the full AI takeover is going to happen, where Claude can do anything better than you. And this is specifically to like online businesses, dropshipping, and stuff like that. Number one is having an overview over actual trends. If you right now would just ask Claude, hey, give me a winning product, what is doing well right now, it would still give you some random shit. Like, it's not going to find you a winning product and just tell you what's doing well, because it can't scrape Facebook, TikTok, Instagram, and just understand what a winning product for you specifically is. The second thing is fully autonomous editing. Right now, we're not at a point where AI is able to make a video like the one you're watching right now. Like, this editing you're seeing on this video is done by a human, not by an AI. However, Fable 5 was kind of there a little bit once it was rolled out. There's this guy I've been following, his name's Nate Herc, and he actually made a video fully with Claude. Let me show you a few seconds.
Opened up Claude Fable, gave it this /goal, went down to the gym, and came back to this. What you're watching right now was not filmed. This avatar is AI. The voice you're hearing is a clone of mine, and every single word of this script was written by Claude.
Once this rolls out, this is going to be really scary. Now, one special thing about Fable 5 was that you could leave it running overnight and it would legit finish a task with this thing called /goal. Like right now on Claude, you can still do it, but it was doing significantly better on Fable 5. And some people have this hope that this rapid growth of AI is going to stop a little bit with regulations soon. The whole world is essentially going to put on regulations on AI tools to not be able to rapidly grow. It doesn't really work that way. Let's say Claude is going to say, yo guys, we want to chill, we don't want to progress so much, let's take it slow. GPT-6 is going to take them over right away and nobody's going to use Claude. They're going to lose all the investors and OpenAI is going to win. Now, even if the whole US economy would say, stop AI growth, that's it, China would take over. It would have to be a simultaneously signed international deal where every country says, let's chill a little bit, let's not go too fast, which is very unlikely. We just have to accept the fact that most likely over the next 5 to 6 years, we're going to see a world where AI is just going to replace 99% of all the jobs we have. The AI tools available to you right now are ridiculously cheap. For $20 a month, you can use ChatGPT, Claude, and whatever. At the moment, all of these companies are losing money on every prompt you do because it's like the Uber model. Uber was funding the riders and funding everyone just to use Uber in the beginning, so people get used to using Uber super cheap, and they just started raising the price, and at some point it just cost a regular price. Now, that's exactly what these AI companies are doing right now. Like, you think this is how much it costs to use Claude. It's not gonna stay like this. It's for sure gonna get more and more expensive the better they get and the more users they have, where these users see it as necessary to keep Claude. Genuinely speaking, the best thing you can do right now is just stack up a bunch of money and be prepared for this increase in price. Because if only the people who actually have a lot of money will be able to use these AI models, the gap between the richer and the poorer is going to be even bigger. Now here's the news. Guess how much percent of the world has ever used an AI tool? The answer is 16%. 84% have never used a single AI tool in their life. Even crazier is only 0.3% of people pay more than $20 a month for an AI tool. And if you do online business, you know how far you're getting with $20. Like, it's not even close to being remotely enough for anything. To you, it might seem like AI is just fully here, everyone's using it, it's already everything saturated. We're at a point where you can actually make a bunch of money using AI today. It's just not going to keep working like this because it's going to get more and more and more saturated. There was always a period of time where there was a bunch of stupid money. People back in the day when internet popped off were just buying domains. They didn't have to be smart. They just bought some domains and made millions of dollars because the opportunity was there. Facebook ads in 2012 to 16, like you just post a bad image of a bad product and you make millions of dollars. Organic dropshipping a few years ago was the easiest thing ever. Right now, the stuff you can do with AI is exactly that. We have a mentorship program teaching you exactly what you need to do step by step, which tools to use, how to properly use things to make a bunch of money, dropshipping with affiliates, etc. If you're interested in my mentorship program, click the link below. I'd highly recommend you join now because we're actually at a point where it is currently easy to do these things, but it's not going to be very, very soon. Click the link below and hopefully I will see you there.